Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to grow your nails stronger and faster. And I'm going to show you few easy steps so that you can try at home. First we need a bowl of warm water, not hot water, lukewarm water. And then we would need half a piece of lemon. And we are going to squeeze this particular lime into warm water, which we have. Yeah, just squeeze it, and we are just going to add this particular lime juice into the warm water. And I'm not going to waste even the skin of the lime. I'm just going to add that in the water so that it gets soaked. After that, I'm going to gently rub my nails, massage them with the lime. Okay, just massage them, gently rub in circular motions. After that, I'm going to soak them in same warm water and for about 15 to 20 minutes. After doing that, I'm going to take filer, yeah, and then I'm going to gently push the cuticles. Gently, you don't have to be harsh here, just gently push the cuticles so that when your new nails are growing, it can breathe and it can grow faster. So that's the reason. So yeah, if you go harsh, then it might be painful, so just be gentle. And yeah, I'm going to do this for all my fingers. Okay, I'm just going to clean them up, and then yes, it is ready. Now we are going to take a cotton ball or a cotton pad, like so. And yeah, that needs to be clean, so make sure you use that. And I'm going to take castor oil. After just take a particular oil. If you don't have castor oil, you can also use olive oil. That is also very good and very healthy for your nails. You can also use coconut oil if you don't have castor oil, or if you don't have olive oil, you can what you can use this oil, because it keeps your nails healthier, and it gives your nails a healthy look, and it will moisturize your nails, and it will help the nails to grow. That's the reason we are going to add oil, or you can also add moisturizer to your nails if you don't have oil at home, worst case. Yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small amount of oil, same oil, whichever oil you're going to use, and gently massage my nails. Yeah, massage them again in circular motions. You need to massage your cuticles and your nails. What this does is it prevents the nails getting yellow, or if your nails are getting discolored. For some people you get this yellow color, or some kind of fungal kind of nails or something. So if you try this remedy, you can prevent that also. Your nails will become whiter, not yellow. You can massage. After massaging, you can so when you're done massaging, it is done. And these are the few steps which you are going to try, and you'll have to do it every day until your nails start growing and looking healthy. So yes, and this will give you a healthy looking nail. So yes, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, see you soon. Bye.